Moodle USP Online Learning. In this presentation we will cover what is Moodle, online learning, how to log into Moodle, the Moodle interface, basic Moodle tools, and Moodle help. Firstly, what is Moodle? Simply put, it is a learning management system that allows you to access course notes, submit assignments, do quizzes, and participate in discussion forums. Once you become familiar with Moodle, you will find out that there are more tools that you can use. You also need to have access to a computer connected to the internet. Before we move on, we need to cover what online learning is. Simply put, it is learning through the use of the internet. With learning through the internet, you and your lecturer or tutor are separated by space and time. Most of the interactions via the internet will be through various tools which Moodle offers. How to log into Moodle? The first thing you will need to do is log in. Only after you log in will you have access to the Moodle features you need for your course. Now let us have a look at a login demonstration. To log into Moodle, you will need to locate your browser, which is on the desktop of your computer. You may use Internet Explorer or Netscape or Firefox. For this demonstration, we will use Internet Explorer. Locate that on your desktop and then double-click to open it. Then go to the address bar and type the following address: elearn.usp.ac.fj. Press enter on your keyboard and this should take you to the main Moodle site. Go to the login section, which is on the top left hand corner. Type in your student number, I've typed mine in there, and your password. Now your password will be the same password that you're given at the start of the semester. You also use that for your student webmail and other campus resources. So type that in. Then click Login. Once your login is successful, it will take you to the courses that you are currently enrolled in that use Moodle. In this instance, I am enrolled in AF 102 and CS 317. Now that we've logged in successfully, let us take a look at the Moodle interface. I would now like to go into my course, CS 317. I click the link to open it, and this is what the interface looks like for CS 317 in Moodle. There is generally a course code and title, a little welcome message, a news forum, and other administrative information for the course. And if I scroll down, I will see the allocation of work that is needed per week. On the left-hand side of my screen, you will see that there are various menus such as latest news, calendar, recent activity, a place to search through the discussion forums, as well as gradebooks. This is generally what your course in Moodle looks like. Let us have a look at some basic Moodle tools. Two basic tools that are commonly found in Moodle are the discussion forum and the assignment Dropbox. Let us start with the discussion forum. Depending on your course in Moodle, your lecturer or tutor will place discussion forums throughout the course. For instance, CS317 has an introductory forum called Icebreaker, and it is also structured in a way that each week has a discussion forum. Say for week 1 there's week 1 discussion forum, week 2 there's week 2 discussion forum. For example, I would like to make a posting in week 2. I have a question to my lecturer or tutor or fellow students about the issue of access control and security. I click the week 2 discussion forum to open, and this is what it looks like. At the moment there are no other discussion messages posted, so in order for me to do one posting, I will go to click add a new discussion topic, and then a window to type your discussion message will appear. For instance, you will see subject, message body, and it also allows you to upload attachments, like your discussion posting accompanied by a attachment. So for example, I'll type my subject in, query week 2. Now where you see a red asterisk, it means that those fields are compulsory. So for example, subject and message are compulsory for me to fill in when I'm typing my discussion message. So I'll write a simple query. What is the name? Once I've typed in the subject and message and I'm satisfied with it, I could either add an attachment or post the message as is without an attachment. There are other functions above the message window where you can format your text. Say if I want to bold my question, I just highlight the text and click bold, and it is bolded. There are other functions of this message editor that you can use to format your text. Once I'm satisfied with it, I scroll down to the bottom and locate Post to Forum. I click Post to Forum, and then a message comes up saying that if I want to edit that message, I have 30 minutes before it becomes permanent. And then it switches you to back to the discussion forum where you can see your posting. So I've posted a discussion forum called Query Week 2. That is my name. It even counts how many students would reply to this message and when the message was posted. So if I click that Week 2 query, my query will come up there. So if you would like to respond to the message, you can click reply. Because I have 30 minutes to edit my message, I will be able to see edit and delete. But for someone else looking at the message, they could only see reply.